How to use a Ring doorbell to increase your Airbnb revenue. Well, when you have guests coming into your Airbnb, they have to enter, as you know, the right number of people when they book the apartment. I usually recommend that for one or two guests, it's the same price. But if there are three, four guests and above, you should charge more per guest per night. Personally, I charge $40 per night per guest for guest number three, and then same fee for any incremental guest. However, sometimes the guests are not entering this correctly, intentionally or unintentionally, and they tend to do actually a mistake to their advantage, meaning they forget to put more than two guests and they don't want to pay for the extra guest. You can solve this by reminding them in the welcome message before they check in that they have to enter the right amount of guests because you want to prepare the apartment for them so they have all the towels and linens, and also for insurance reasons. However, some guests are not going to update this number of guests above two guests so that they can pay the least amount. What I would suggest is to have a Ring Doorbell Pro, not the Ring Doorbell 2, so that it can be hardwired. It's installed in front of the unit and you can see the videos outside, of course, of the apartment or house, and monitor if there are two or more guests. You can take action if the reservation is to be updated. And actually, don't do this yourself. Always hire somebody, a freelancer from Upwork.com, for example. You can add a user on Ring Doorbell so that the freelancer can check all the videos for you at the check-in time and contact Airbnb on your behalf to correct this number of guests and make sure that they pay the right amount.